come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Pink Hobby. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Pink Hobby, aka DeFi bully. Today I'm gonna show you guys about something. I'm gonna talk about something very special, very innovative. You know what I love. You know the things that I love. The Bandit Project. You heard? Now this one's gonna have different ways to make money. Is utilizing NFTs, a daily ROI platform that you can get up to 2% daily. Sustainability built into the contract. Oh my God, this one's very special, people. Plus, I got 10 more whitelist spots. Plus, I got 10 more whitelist spots for you watching. All right, before I go deeper into this, please, you already know the drill. Head over to the YouTube channel. I mean, you're watching this on the YouTube channel, but if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, because notification bell NASA. And then hit that like button. And then marry the video. You already know what time it is. Okay, we on that push. Now, the Bandit Project. This is it. And shout out my boy over there on the Hustling Crypto channel. What's his name? Hustle Man Matt. Shout out to my boy G County in the building. Yes. All right, so now just to give a quick run through of how everything works. This will be utilizing NFTs, and one NFTs is 10 Bandit tokens. Okay. Now, they will have a whitelist pre-sale and a public pre-sale very soon. If you're watching this video, I'm recording this video on the 14th of July, and it's coming up very soon. You can stay posted with the Telegram links and everything. I'll put everything down below. You can also join my Telegram group if you want to get a chance to get in that whitelist spot. I'm doing a first come, first serve. I kind of waited a little bit before I dropped mine to give the other people that didn't, until it built up a little bit more hype. So if you want a whitelist spot, you got an opportunity to do so by liking this video, subscribing, going on to my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires, and tell me why you want a whitelist spot. Comment down below why you want a whitelist spot, and I'll just give it to you. Forget it. First come, first serve though. All right. So 10 Bandit tokens give you one NFT. Okay. One token for every 100 created. All right. So it raises one token every 100 created, meaning if 10 tokens equal one NFT. There's 3,000 NFTs in circulation. Once 100 of those NFTs are sold, it would be 11 tokens. Once 200 is sold, it would be 12 tokens, if that makes sense. It just keeps going up and up. Now, this isn't completely live yet, and this is why I say hit that notification bell. It's notification bell NASA. We're getting it to you early, people. Okay? So welcome to DeFi City, the first ever daily ROI NFTs on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, stake in the bank to receive part ownership, the organization's revenue share This means you get paid every time a user buys, sells, claims, deposits, or deposits and mints. Everything. There's different ways to make money in this platform. Okay, in DeFi, you can only get so far by hustling retail arbitrage, trading pairs, and long-term buy and hold tactics. The Bandit Project is an inaugural gang of 3,000 NFTs. Wait, let me see. Am I blocking you guys' view? Oh, you guys can see that. Okay, of 3,000 NFTs on a Binance Smart Chain. Each NFT is formed at random and chosen for the unique style. Bandit token holders can make passive income by minting NFTs, providing liquidity, and getting revenue shares from all project transactions. Remember that in DeFi City, crypto is king. There's many ways you could get and spend crypto, but heists are the best way to make loads of money. So you see they're going by the bandit theme. They're talking about heists. They got these raccoon-looking characters. So you know it's a robbery. You know we about to go in and grab all that money up. Okay, people. And also there's a lot of bullish news with a partnership they got with Splassive. Splassive been launching a lot of games like Rock, Paper, Scissors. And they're doing a direct partnership with the Bandit Project. So that's mad bullish. That's very bullish, people. Very, very bullish. Very bullish. See, my Telegram group going crazy. So if you look, this is how some of these NFTs will look. Now, once the 3,000 NFTs are sold completely, the rarity of them will be revealed, people. And once the rarity revealed, you'll see whether you get 1%, 1.5%, or 2% daily. So that's how you could get up to 2% daily. It's right here. Assemble your crew and earn up to 2% daily. Now you could create your own crew. I believe do airdrops. It's similar to like how Drip was, and you know Drip made a lot of people a lot of money, including me. It didn't make me crazy amount, but it did definitely help me in my DeFi journey. Okay, when I joined back in December. Okay, every NFT mint gives you a chance to hire a unique crew member. Once your NFT is made, your capital is locked for good. You cannot get it back. In exchange, its locked value can earn you up to 365% ROI, return on investment. Okay. Each new NFT will start earning 1% every day until all 3,000 have been sold. Once the items are sold, the rarity will be revealed, which will lead to higher earning percentages of 1.5 or 2% daily, like I explained. The collection will then be put on a well-known NFT market for reselling. Oh my God. So you can even make money by that. To mint an NFT, you will need Bandit tokens. You could trade BUSD or BNB for Bandit tokens. Okay, BUSD meaning that's the stable coin for Binance Smart Chain. So that's pegged to the US dollar for the people that don't know. On a decentralized exchange DEX, which is also called a black market. I like that. And that's a part of it's just a name they gave it for the project. So that's basically just a way to do the swaps and the trading. Is called the black market inside of the Bandit Project's ecosystem. Okay. The cost of making an NFT starts at 10 Bandit token and goes up 1 for every 100 tokens that are made. I explained that a little earlier. Okay. Each NFT, also known as crew members, can pay a maximum of 15,000 Bandit tokens before it is retired. So there is a limit to how much you could actually make. So up to 15,000, then you gotta retire. You gotta get out the game. And you know when you in this bandit life, there's only 2 ways out: jail or in a box. Nice. I'm really hyped. I got my energy up. I've been going through a whole bunch of stuff this past week, and just think about the Bandit Project, and everything that's yet to come. The community, my community, everything going on, the partnerships. I'm like, let's go! I'm about to turn Super Saiyan. You can either compound your earnings or add more Bandit tokens to your NFT to increase your daily return. Okay, look at that. And I like all the arts and all that thing with the raccoons. I was just watching this movie, The Bad Guys. Is that the name of it? The Bad Guys? It's an animated movie. It's like a family movie, but I actually really liked it. And I believe the stars is like a fox, and he ended up being good at the end. It was kind of cool. I don't want to tell too much if you guys want to go check that out. Okay. If you want to take part in a bank heist, which it says how you can make the most money, you will need to build a relationship with the laundromat guy first. Just like some bank robbery stuff. Once you start making passive income, you'll need to put your trust into a good business model. Getting to know the laundromat guy is the first step if you want to take part in a bank heist. The laundromat contract creates Bandit/BNB liquidity, okay, on your behalf, so that you don't have to pay the 10% transaction fees for buying the Bandit tokens. And that's another way they, like I said earlier, how they create that sustainability in the project, the buys, the sells, the claims, the minting, and those type of things. Oh, shout out Matt. There you go right there. Those taxes are put into the contract to help the sustainability of it. So once you create this relationship with a laundromat guy, figuratively, you create a liquidity with Bandit BNB, so you don't have to pay that 10% transaction fee for buying Bandit tokens. Okay. The contract uses half BNB coins. You can send to it by Bandit tokens for you. The rest of the money is used to add liquidity and make it Bandit BNB LP. Okay. Are you content with the earnings that your crew generates for you, or are you prepared to receive incredible rewards that will shock DeFi City? Yo, I want to move to DeFi City. They didn't even make that for real. Well, you already know that's going to be the Wild Wild West. The real life Wild Wild West. But I would love it. DeFi Bully would fit right in. And I'm sure half of y'all would love to have the opportunity to become the founding fathers of DeFi City. Okay, take part ownership when you stake LPs into the bank. Bank payout percentages per transaction. 2% goes into buys, 2% sales, 2% deposit, 2% claim, 5% stash house deposits. Okay. Bank payout distribution split between time lock tiers. Okay. Like I'll put the links for everything down below. I'm just doing a quick overview run through and how you could get whitelist spots, and just so you have a good understanding of what this is and how you can make money. Okay, the bank heist will provide a banking function for the investors to take part ownership of the platform by locking the LP funds, the Bandit BNB, to receive BNB, BUSD, and Bandit token payouts from the platform's transactions. Okay, to incentivize the longer stakes, funds sent to the bank are distributed accordingly amongst 4 time locking tiers. Stakeholders will receive a daily payout based on their percentage stake and their respective time lock tiers. After your time lock expires, you can unstake your LP. Okay, so you stake for a certain amount of time, it gains those rewards, and then after the time, you can unstake your LP and keep them, or you could keep them staked to continue receiving daily payouts. Okay, the payouts that stakeholders in the bank heist will be eligible for includes NFT mints and deposits, taxes from the stash house, and play to earn games and revenue. That's to come, like the partnership with Splash and all that. Okay, Splassive. Trading tax fees, buy, sales, claims, like I mentioned earlier, and dividends from real world revenue streams. Okay, you can see a little model right there for everything. Okay, paying the cost to be the boss. As a leader of your crew, you will have to pay dues to the group. These taxes and fees help the organization grow. Stay in business and share out long-term passive income. This is how organization fees are set up. So down here it just shows the fees and everything. Okay, earn 100% passively while also taking advantage of the enticing commissions for team building. Enjoy 5% direct referrals on all NFTs. On all NFT deposits and 2.5 on compounds. I'm loving this already. So make sure when this starts, you guys join DeFi Bully, because we're gonna be doing all that stuff, the airdrops, the community is just gonna be growing, and we're gonna add on to different communities. This project is just amazing, really, how Hustle Man Matt decided to bring a lot of these smaller, I should say, YouTube communities together, and we just all grow as one and take part of something really revolutionary. Really, we're not seeing it now, but we'll see it soon enough. Okay, so I went through a lot of that. They do have the white papers. I'm gonna go through this one more time. The Bandit Project is an inaugural gang of 3,000 NFTs. Okay, each NFT is formed at random, chosen for its unique style. Bandit token holders can make passive income by minting NFTs. Once created, the NFTs begin to earn 1.5, or 2% daily. Okay, daily. So you guys can come take a more detailed look at that. If you want, like I said, the links will be down below. Make sure you guys join the Telegram group. All right, this one right here is the Bandit Project's official Telegram group. Are you ready to play? This is the partnership I was talking about. Transaction fees will be split between both platforms. Oh my God, revolutionary. 2.5% Bandit sent to the bank heist. Play the peer-to-peer gaming. Play and earn. Bandit, come on. Who doesn't want to? We are pleased to announce the first official partnership of Splash Games. The Bandit Project is the first ever daily ROI NFT. NFT set to launch very soon on the Binance Smart Chain. We're excited about this partnership, and along with the potential for many more in the near future. So stay tuned and be sure to follow the Bandit Project for updates. Okay, so that's the Bandit Projects group. This is my group right here, the Bullpen Millionaires. We're not crazy big, but we're just nitpick. We come up with the craziest strategies. Shout out to everybody that keep the group going. Shout out to Dripper, D-Dripper. Shout out to Mr. Aloha. Shout out to Les Scientists. Shout out to Genin. I never, but I know you. You feel me? So like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to cover a lot of the basics, show people what's to come. All right, and just so you guys know what time it is and what's the next move in this DeFi world. And we going into the DeFi city and we doing it the right way. All right, people. Remember, hit that like button if you ain't hit that like button yet. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet. Comment down below for your chance to get that whitelist spot. All right. Okay, you hear me? And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.